Welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're on this 2.2 diesel. It's a Kia Sorento. The car's lost power all of a sudden. Now it's creating a black smoke as you put your foot down up hills, and there's a lot of loss of power and a lot of noise, like air noise should we say. So what we have is turbocharger and diesel particulate filter and mass airflow as well. It comes with a few other, but these are the main two. Now I'm going to show you, looking at things, if I can, there we go, brighten things up. I've had a look quickly, and what I always recommend is that first check, see what you can see. If you can't see anything, you do a smoke test. However, in this instance I can see that the intercooler piping has come loose and it's popped out. And I can see the Jubilee clip is down somewhere, probably there, maybe, I don't know. I'll find out anyway. But the point I'm trying to get here, guys, is if you're getting these codes, personally, I check to see if there's anything like it is there now. Check to see if there's any pipes loose. If there isn't and you can't see it, do a smoke test via the air filter. Pipe in there, pop the smoke in, and just see if it's leaking somewhere. If it is, replace the piping, replace the, I don't know, let's say it's a manifold here that's cracked. Do that, and then happy days, enjoy. But that's most likely what the issues are in this instance. For all you know, it could be the DPF that's heavily clogged that's causing it, and for all we know, it could be the turbo that's causing it. But in this instance, it's this piping here, guys. So everything's sorted, guys. We've put a brand new Jubilee clip on there. It's quite a chunky one, not small. And then for this, what I would say is clear the fault code memory, and then just do a special functions, and then we'll do essential wear, okay, and then mass airflow sensor, okay. This is what I would recommend. Obviously do it for the other components as well. What else? O2 sensor, yeah. And that's the way to go about it, if you ask me. Now you should get full power, everything's reset in that sense.